How to find your last transaction in the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can find your last transaction or the latest transaction within the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So the steps are quite simple. The first step is simply to open the IRCTC Rail Connect application, and if this alert appears, simply click onto this OK button. Then in this particular page you need to click onto this login button at the top right corner. So once you will do this, you need to authenticate yourself either by entering the PIN or by tapping your finger over the fingerprint sensor if biometric authentication is enabled. Then once the user has been successfully verified, you will be successfully logged in into the IRCTC Rail Connect application. Now in this page you need to click onto this trains button, and under the trains you have this button that says last transaction. So simply click onto this last transaction, and here you can see all of the status of the last transaction, including the PNR number, the transaction ID, the status, journey date, booking date, and the destination and the source station details as well. So that's how easy it is to find the last transaction or the latest transaction that you have done in the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.